I draw a very easy drawing for you. This is the drawing of honey jar. I like honey so much. Do you like honey? First of all, draw a U shape. It's very easy. Draw the mouth of the jar. Draw this in very careful way. Also double the lines. It makes the jar beautiful. Then draw the middle part of the jar. It looks so beautiful and amazing. Draw a U shape at the middle of the jar. Don't forget to draw a spoon. Wow, that's awesome. I enjoy a lot. I like coloring. So I color in this jar. You know the color of is the mixture of yellow and orange color. So I use the yellow color in the jar. What's your favorite color? Yellow is my favorite color. Don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Wow, yellow color looks so beautiful. Drawing is my hobby. So I like coloring and drawing. I like this drawing so much. I also use the orange and red color. This is also my favorite color. Don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel.